So I'm starting to pack up the book bags that are going down to the children we work with at Blanche Nevile School for the Deaf back in July. As I've mentioned before, we're sending them a lovely gift to celebrate our book day, which contains 3 different AVID Language books, plus a colouring book, plus a lovely notebook and some customised pens and some stickers, just for good measure, because who doesn't love a sticker? So what we're trying to do is choose a selection of books that fits with the different year groups. So for the youngest children, we have chosen Jasper's Tale, which Karen Hardwicke, the author of this book, which she read to the early years children on the day. And it's such a funny little story about this cheeky puppy called Jasper, who doesn't like his hearing aids. So he gets up to all sorts of mischief, throwing his hearing aids over the fence. But as the story progresses, Jasper learns why his hearing aids are actually quite important, not least for his safety, but also just for the fun of being able to chat with his friends. And in the end, he decides that actually, after all, he does quite like his hearing aids. It's a really amusing little story. And then we are choosing a selection of the Jack Synes books, again by Karen. Jack Synes' Farm Animals was another book that Karen read on the day. Now the Jack Synes series at the moment comprises 3 books: Jack Synes Colours, and Jack Synes' Farm Animals. And Jack Synes at the Seaside is currently in production, so that's really exciting. Now these are gorgeous, gorgeous books written by Karen Hardwicke, illustrated by Amanda Walker, and they really celebrate sign language. They have corresponding online resources to learn some ASL and BSL, and also to see the whole book signed. And they're really, really lovely books. So the kids will each get 1 from that series. And then Karen's latest book, which actually has been released since our book day. So this is brand new. The kids will not have seen this before. Let's Go for a Sound Walk. It is illustrated by the immensely talented Lucy Rogers, and it's just a gloriously joyful adventure through the world of sound. Very humorously illustrated, beautiful colours, gorgeous characters. I mean, what's not to love in this book? It is just so beautiful. And then, of course, as I said, all the children are getting a Farmyard Heroes colouring book, which is based on 2 of our popular titles, CI Quest and Icky Sticky Stuck, all about the farmer with his cochlear implants and his animal friends. And the special thing about this colouring book is that it's interactive. It has conversation prompts and speech and language practice. So it can be used just as a straightforward colouring book, or it can also be used to foster 2-way engagement with children as they are engaged in doing something really fun and low demand, like colouring. So all the kids get one of those too. So those 4 will go into our lovely bags with a notebook where the kids can start to let loose their own creativity and perhaps, you know, work their way towards becoming authors or illustrators themselves one day. And just to help out with that, we've got the, I'm not sure whether that is going to pick up the focus there, but it says My Book Writing Pen. They each get a set of 6 pens and a few stickers thrown in just for good measure.